And I want to say a big thank you to Rwanda Legacy of Hope, who have given us this opportunity to come here to share with our colleagues, doctors, to train the new generation of doctors and medical students. And as long as we get the opportunity with Rwanda Legacy of Hope, we will continue to come and avail ourselves. It's not just to bring our knowledge, but to come and learn from Rwanda as well. There's so many things that excites me when I have come to Rwanda, and I've shared that with my colleagues. Oh, hello, my name is Dr. Kofi Yamoah. I'm a Gynecologist Laparoscopic Surgeon from Mid Yorkshire Hospital. It's in the north of England, UK. And this is the second time of coming to Rwanda. I've always been to Central University Butare in Huye, and I've come again this time.
Yes, for this time, what activities have you carried out?
Oh, we had a lot of correspondence before coming, so we were able to get some laparoscopic equipment from the hospital, and some were donated by a charity instrument company called Ethicon. They gave me some laparoscopic instruments, including trocars, resection equipment, scissors, laparoscopic graspers to perform the operations. We did similar to what we did last year. This year was a little bit more interesting because we think we got good results. Majority of the cases that we treated were infertility, primary infertility from problems with the tubes. We can see that the equipment that we brought was very critical in performing these operations. And then before we left, we did a training program. Very interesting, basic laparoscopy for nurses, doctors, and some of their residents, on teaching them how to approach laparoscopy, the benefits of laparoscopy. Now, these days, everything done in gynecology is moving to minimal access to be able to get patients to go home and recover quickly. I told them that one of the benefits is that patients don't have to stay in hospital for many, many days, which cost to the patient, their family, and the whole country. So if we could operate patients, they go home, they recover well, and back to their life activity. That was the emphasis of the training. We also brought a laparoscopic simulation box to get some of the doctors and the residents to learn how to do practical laparoscopy skills, and I think they really enjoyed it.
This is your second time being here working with these local doctors. How do you find them improving? All
right, thank you. I must say that there's quite a significant improvement. When we came here the last time, there was only one theater which was general surgery and gynecology together. Now I've seen that gynecology have their own setup of laparoscopic theater. There was only one nurse who was doing laparoscopy, and she was doing everything. And I talked to her a lot about this, and I would say thank you to Martine, midwife. Now I have seen that there are 2, 3, or even 4 new midwives who want to join the team, and they're learning. And they're all learning to train to become laparoscopic nurses. So this is a massive improvement from last year. Then 2000, which the new junior doctors and interns, or they call them residents here, also getting involved. It's also very, very exciting. And so I'm hoping that by the time we come next year, there will be a big gynecology laparoscopy or minimal access team to work with.
I was also saying that today the world has become a village. How do you plan to keep working with these local doctors, even if you are not here?
Right, so we have been in touch even when I'm not here. You know, we always communicate electronically with my doctor, who is the fertility specialist, Dr. Damascene John, who is a local doctor. We've been talking, discussing equipment before we came, so we're going to continue that discussion. There are a lot of the new doctors who are training, who now show interest in laparoscopic surgery, and they've given me their numbers. We've exchanged numbers, and we are going to continue discussion and training online. We can do the training on Zoom if there was anything that is important. But I have promised them to come again. So as long as we get the opportunity, we will come back and continue the training.
Maybe there are other specialists who may be interested to come to Rwanda, but maybe they are not informed. How do you interest them to come?
Right, thank you very much. Now, it'd be interesting to know that when I went back, I spoke to some of my colleagues, and everybody wants to come to Rwanda. Although I didn't see a lot of Rwanda, but the little that we had a discussion, they're really happy to come. So I'm sure that if we create an avenue for doctors to come, we will get a lot more specialists coming here to impart knowledge and to learn as well. And I want to say a big thank you to Rwanda Legacy of Hope, who have given us this opportunity to come here to share with our colleagues, doctors, to train the new generation of doctors and medical students. And as long as we get the opportunity with Rwanda Legacy of Hope, we will continue to come and avail ourselves. It's not just to bring our knowledge, but to come and learn from Rwanda as well. There's so many things that excites me when I have come to Rwanda, and I've shared that with my colleagues.